Two little orphans, a boy and a girl, sat by an old church door. The little girl's feet were as brown as the curls that fell on the dress that she wore. The boy's coat was torn and hatless his head, a tear shone in each little eye. Why don't you go home to your mama, I said. This was the maiden's reply. Mama's in heaven, God took her away, left Jim and I all alone. We came here to stay till the close of the day, for we have no mama, no home. We can't earn our bread, we're too little, she said. Jim's 5 and I'm only 7. No one to love us, and Papa is dead, and our darling Mama's in heaven. Papa got lost out at sea long ago. We waited all night by the shore. He was a life-saving captain, you know, but he never came back anymore. Then Mama got sick, angels took her away, he said, to a home far and bright. She said she'd come back for her darling someday. Perhaps she is coming tonight. Maybe tonight there's no room there for us, two little ones to keep. Then placing her arms under little Jim's head, she kissed them, then both fell asleep. The sexton came early to ring the church bell. He found them all covered snow white. The angels made room for two children to dwell in heaven with Mama that night.